Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by gathering your strongest images and a clear idea. Pick 8 to 15 photos or a mix of short clips that tell a story. Open your preferred apps, Lightroom for color, CapCut for sequencing, and import files into one project. Once loaded, make quick global adjustments. Exposure, white balance, and crop to 16:9 or 9:16 depending on export. While you edit, keep a 15 to 30 second target in mind so pacing and transitions stay tight. You now craft the middle. Build visual consistency with a shared color grade or custom preset so every frame reads as one cohesive reel. Next, arrange clips or photos to match your chosen tempo. Trim to beats and insert speed ramps where emphasis is needed. Then introduce motion, gentle parallax, push zooms, and masked reveals to turn stills into dynamic sequences. Make sure to keep edits tight and scale safe, because overscaling kills quality. Watch highlights and shadows to preserve detail as you refine. You finish by exporting with platform-friendly settings. 9:16 aspect, H, 264 codec, 1080 by 1920, and 25 to 30 frames per second for smooth playback. Once exported, craft a concise caption with a clear hook and add 5 to 10 relevant hashtags and a call to action. If upload reduces quality, troubleshoot. Check bitrate and recompress at a higher rate. Remove heavy filters or oversized crops and re-export. Make sure your upload uses the Instagram app.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.